Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. In this video, we will take a look about Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin? What is the next thing for today? What do we see? What will happen? We are reading the Wonder Glass. So guys, here is Fear and Greed Index, and you can see it. We have here today extreme greed, like yesterday, last week extreme greed 95 points, today 91 points. And last month, very interesting, we had fear, guys. Fear was in the market, and this was a little dump from Bitcoin, but it was just a little dump. Today, extreme greed, everyone is greedy. What's going on here with the technical analysis? Let's look to trading view, and let's look to the indicators. You can see here on the daily here, we should buy, we should strong buy, and the oscillators are still neutral. On the 4 hours, we should sell, and that's the interesting thing. Now, guys, we are watching, we would watch it, we would analyze it. Why in the 4-hour chart we have a sell oscillator, a sell summary, and a sell moving averages? Why to hell is this so? We will take a look about this. So, the coin market cap, guys. Here is the coin market cap. Bitcoin today 56,200, a plus about 0.6% on the 7 days. Extreme pump, 15%. Look at the chart here. It's going up and up and up to the moon, to the Mars, whatever. Ethereum today 1,920. Interesting. The altcoins are bleeding. You see it here. A minus about 5% on the 7 days. Only 4%. A light upgoing chart for Ethereum for 7 days. It's not a good place to trade momently with Ethereum or with the altcoins. We will take a look about that. Polkadot, no, BNB is going down 255. It was yesterday over 300. You see it here on the chart of about 2 days, over 300. It's not going down. 15.8% going down, 95%, 95% up in 7 days. Look at this pump for BNB. Polkadot. It's going down a little bit. It's place 4 in the coins, extreme. You see it 0.8 down for the day, or 1.4. It's going down really fast for now, and 35% in 1 week going up. And Cardano, one of the coins, they are going up. Interesting, 3.7%. It's going up on the daily, and 25% in the week. Cardano, one of the only coins here in our top 10, they are green. All others are in the red zone. Interesting. XRP, big red today, a minus about 10%. It's going down very quickly here. Look at this, 14% for the week. It's going down. Litecoin 9% minus. Chainlink 5% for the daily. Bitcoin Cash 8%. Stellar XLM is going down. Oh my god, for the daily 8%. 11% in the weekly. Uniswap is a coin who's going up. Look at this. 19% for the daily and 30% for the weekly, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, all other coins are in the red zone. That's very interesting now. So we are going to Bitcoin. This is our daily chart for Bitcoin. This is the Fibonacci line we drew from the highest to the deepest point here, and as you can see, we have here with our Fibonacci support at 47,000. Okay, there is much space going down here, and we have resistances here with 64, 60, 68 and 74. So that's our big picture here on the 1 day chart. The big picture is showing us we are in a big uptrend, and we broke out of this uptrend. So it's so bullish, it's Lambo bullish. The breakout of an uptrend on a daily chart is really extreme bullish. Okay, so what's going on? Can we come back in this uptrend? That's one of the next questions. Can we come back and retest this 47,000? You can see it here. This 47,000 line has here some points. Bitcoin reached this point here, rejected, reached it, rejected, spiked over, under, fightened here, some days, a week. Bitcoin fightens again this 47,000. So this 47,000 is an important support now on the daily chart if it's going down with Bitcoin. It doesn't show us that it goes down, but if it's going down. So the EMA ribbon band is here. We have a lot of space here. The EMA ribbon band is now touching this support line. Everything is fine. Everything looks good here for us. The MACD is not so important. For me, it's important the RSI momently, the relative strength index. And as we look about this, you can see it. We are extreme overbought. We are with 78 points on the RSI. Extreme overbought. So attention, attention, guys. This is a sign for the most traders that the extreme overbought Bitcoin must come down, and that's really an important thing for a trader. This RSI overbought for the daily. So okay, one thing I have to say to you, a lot of guys are talking about the blow off top, and yes, for me it's very important to see this blow off top, because let's take a look about 2018. 2018 we had a bull run like this, and it was very interesting here. Let's zoom in a little bit. That was our bull run in 2018. And look at this, guys. Here was 17, here was 18, it's going up. These are all daily candles. 17 in December 2017, and yes, 18, it was the big dump. So look at this. We had a really nice upgoing bull trend here, and bull market here for Bitcoin, and then we saw a dump, and this was a big dump. Look at this. We had here 17,000 and here 12,000. This was a big dump, about 5,000, but remember the all-time high was about 20,000. So 5,000 for 25%. This was a 25% dump before going up again, dump, and then we saw a blow off top with only dump and dump and dump. And from this point, from 20,000, we saw in a week a dump to 10,000. So guys, we lost in 1 week 50% of Bitcoin. In 1 week 50%. It's really important to note that, guys. A lot of guys are here new on trading, and a lot of guys think Bitcoin goes to Mars and will never go down again. Okay, it's possible to go up and up. Look at this bull run against the 2017 bull run. Look at this bull run. And for me, as a trader, I'm trading over 4 years. It's maybe here the blow off top. Maybe. We can go to 100,000. Everything is possible here. But if this is now our blow off top, or if it's the second top and the next top is the blow off top, and we are losing 25% from here, guys, let's think about this 25%. Let me show you something. 25% are here, 43,000. It's possible here to make a retracement from 58,000 now to 43,000. Guys, these are 15,000 US dollar. It's very possible. You saw it on the 2017 upgoing trend. So, and if we are going down from here, if it is maybe a blow top, and if we are going down from here 50%, guys, I would like to show you 50%. Let us say 46, 47%, 30,000. 30,000 is this line, and that's very possible. Why not? Why not to go down with a retracement to 30,000? I would like to show you this, that you are informed of this. It's not always going up and up and up, guys. It can go down, and be prepared for this. That's the very important thing. Don't lose all your money you have here bought in, and you are in the trade and everything is fine. Don't lose all your money. Take your profits. I can't say take your profits now. That's not impossible. But don't forget to take your profits, guys. It's very important, because if you are losing this money and you have made much money here with this uptrend and with this bull run, you are crying, believe me. So, but for now, RSI overbought. We are here on the daily breakout over the uptrend. Extreme. Let's go deeper to the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look about this 4-hour chart. Over the uptrend, okay, for sure. Retesting the uptrend here. retesting the ribbon here with this spike, a good rebuy and a good upgoing Bitcoin. On the 4-hour chart, we are now making lower highs. That's interesting. You can see it here. These waves, a high, lower highs, lower lows, bam, the next one. A high, lower highs, lower lows, bam, the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. These are the waves. These are the typical waves for trading Bitcoin. Maybe we are here on the next wave. You can see it here. This was a wave. Here was the uptrend, and we broke this uptrend. And okay, we have a breakout pattern. We have a breakout of the rising wedge, and the target is about 67, 68,000. And for me, the next target, the next resistance is 64,000 because of this Fibonacci line here. So for the 4-hour chart, okay, the RSI is not overbought in the 4-hour chart. It's about 65. And what's with the MACD? Let's turn off the RSI in the 4-hour chart. Let's turn off the MACD. Here it is. And that's very important now, guys. Look at this. The MACD is maybe crossing now the brown line. Zoom in. We can zoom in more and more and more and more. It's very interesting. This is a fight to look at this, guys. The MACD. It's not crossing now, it's touching now the brown line. That's the important thing. It's possible to bounce up from here because of the MACD. Or it's possible, if this candle is going down, that we see a crossing, and that's a very bearish sign here for the 4-hour chart if we see that. So if you're trading, if you're long on Bitcoin, take a look on this MACD for the next hours. Very important, maybe the next hour. If Bitcoin will go up more. You can see it now, it's going up slightly here. The MACD will bounce up from the brown line. It's very important to see. Okay, that's the MACD for the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look about the 1-hour chart, and I would like to show you something here. So guys, here's the 1-hour chart, and one thing is very interesting now. Maybe we are looking at an inverse shoulder head shoulder pattern. It's possible. For all guys who don't know what is a shoulder head shoulder pattern, look at my channel. I made for some days a video about shoulder head shoulder. So let's take a look about this. Maybe this is a shoulder, maybe this is a head, maybe this is a shoulder. Okay, then we have a baseline. The baseline is this line from here to here. It's our big resistance momently. On the 1-hour chart, this is a big resistance. So if this is a shoulder head shoulder pattern, and it looks like an inverse shoulder head shoulder pattern, we have the deepest point from this to the baseline, and we can give this line to the breakout point. Maybe Bitcoin is breaking out over this trend line to this point. Then we have a target. We have a breakout target about, I should make this call outs as a favorite. I use it so often. So that's the wrong one. Oh damn, Biti. That's the call out. I don't need a call out. I need the price label. So okay, that's the right one. Sorry guys. This is the new target. If this is an inverse shoulder head shoulder, it looks like an inverse shoulder head shoulder. This is our new target, about 60,000. The breakout target of this shoulder head shoulder, and that's very, very possible to see here. So guys, important. Support line from here to here. This is our green support for the next time, for the next hours. If Bitcoin is breaking out to the downside from here, we have a support line to this line here. For 53,000 is our support momently in the short time here for Bitcoin. The place to fight, the place to beat is momently like this here. Like this here. This is the place to beat. 56,000 Bitcoin must fight. And then, if this happens, we may see a breakout to 60,000, and this is a possible buy-in for this trade. This is a possible trade here from 56,000 to 60,000. That are about 3,300 US dollar per Bitcoin. You can make it with leverage, you can make it without leverage, but this is a good point to watch, and this is the next point here to trade. You see, in the 1 hour we are over this ribbon band, we are fighting over or in this ribbon band, but we are not under this ribbon band, and that's very bullish. So guys, for the next short time for today, let's look about this. This is our mainly trade, this is our mainly target to trade. A breakout over 56,000, a confirmed breakout, guys, and then the target about 60,000. That's the thing we would like to see for today for Bitcoin. So guys, that's it. I wish you the best of luck with your trade. Maybe you trade this breakout for the inverse shoulder head shoulder. Make millions with your trade. Greetings. Have a nice time. Have a nice day. Yours, Biti, yours Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.